Hello, my name is Phil. I live in Japan, and this is my recent trip to Chinatown in Yokohama. I hope you enjoy. Yokohama's Chinatown is the largest and second oldest Chinatown in all of Japan. In the year 1859, after an extended period of official isolationist policy, the decision was made to open Japan to international trade. The port city of Yokohama was ideally situated, close enough to Tokyo to facilitate trade, yet keep the capital distinctly Japanese. Over time, Yokohama became a vibrant, international city where goods and services flowed in and out of Japan. To this day, Yokohama has its own identity, reflected in the food, people, culture, and architecture. The area became very prosperous. Some of the grandest hotels in the country call this city home. The Hikawa Maru, first launched in 1929 as a luxury passenger liner, quickly earned a reputation as the Queen of the Pacific and made a total of 254 voyages between Yokohama and Seattle before retiring in 1960. It now serves as a museum ship, permanently docked opposite Chinatown at Yamashita Park, standing as a testament to the importance of historic international relations and trade to Yokohama. I will definitely be taking a look inside this beautiful ship next time I am in the area. Accessing Yokohama's Chinatown today is very easy, as it is serviced by its own station, Motomachi Chukakai, which opened in 2004 on the Minato Mirai line from Yokohama Station. In 2006, a temple dedicated to the Chinese goddess Mazu was opened and is today a major sightseeing spot for tourists. There is an older temple originally built in 1871, which has been rebuilt 4 times over the years after being destroyed in earthquakes, World War II bombings and fires. The current temple building was opened in 1990. Walking through the streets of Chinatown, it is impossible to ignore the sheer amount of delicious smells from street vendors, tempting you to indulge on some tasty Chinese treats. A favourite among visitors are the freshly steamed bao buns of various flavours. There is even a shop selling panda-themed bao buns. In fact, pandas feature quite heavily in the Chinatown of Yokohama. You can find them almost everywhere. We chose classic pork and chashu. There are streets dedicated to certain cuisines, with Hong Kong Road being a personal favourite. You can also find Chinese clothing, ornaments, and many fortune tellers in Chinatown. The vendors and restaurant staff are always exceptionally friendly and provide a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Don't be scared to walk down some of the more narrow roads and alleys. These can be where some of the best kept secrets can be found, and you will always be welcomed. The surrounding area also has a lot of other international shops and bars. I actually found a British bar above a Greek restaurant, and there is even a Hawaiian goods shop. And of course, a Santa Claus, for some reason. If you visit during daylight hours, then be sure to stick around until after sunset, when the streets light up with vibrant signs and traditional Chinese lanterns. Walking through the streets in the evening, you will see many people laughing and having fun. A very diverse mix of Chinese migrants, Japanese locals, and international tourists all enjoy this wonderful place together. It is still very much Japan, but with its own unique feel. It can get quite busy at the weekend, so I recommend visiting on a weekday evening if you can. Only 40 minutes on the train from Tokyo's Shibuya station, it is definitely worth a visit. Yokohama Night Flowers is a current firework event taking place every weekend throughout 2025. Best viewed from Yamashita Park. A classic case of questionable planning meant that there was a huge ship moored directly in front of where the fireworks were being set off, but it was still a beautiful sight. The Japanese word for fireworks is hanabi, which directly translates as fire flowers. Please enjoy a few clips from the fire flowers. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in Japan, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Audience engagement is the most important metric on YouTube, so your like and comment would mean a lot to me. You can also choose to support me on Ko-fi. Thank you, and thank you for watching.